why did I close this trade early before it hits my TP? Let me explain. So first of all, we was holding this trade for 3 hours and the market went all the way up and it was this closer to our take profits, and then the momentum died, and that's when I was like, yo, this is the perfect time to close. And this is a mindset things, guys, and I want you to understand, right? I'm gonna explain everything in this video, what happened to this trade and what was going on, right? Because this has to be like the longest time. Where this is some of the trade that takes longer to hit the take profits, guys, and you need a lot of patience, and also you need to be monitoring the trades like this. So now let me just show you where we took this trade. Let me just show you in a VIP group, because I actually sent the same signal in a VIP group. This was the actual trade. All right, we took this trade. It was 5 a.m. South African time, because that's the time I start trading. As you can see, we took that trade and then the market went all the way up. Beautiful, right? And then the market went up and it was very close to our take profits, and it was up 330 pips in a profit. And then I told them to close immediately when the momentum died, guys, as you can see, right? So now let's go back here and see what happened exactly in the market, right? So we want to replay this so that we can all see it. Let's just replay so that I can explain to you guys and show you what happened and the reason why I closed it, guys. All right, so let's just press a replay. We're gonna go to replay, start a new replay, and then we're gonna go back all the way to where we took our trade. It was here. Here's where we took our entry. Here, here's where we took our entry. Yeah, here's where we took our entry. So as you can see here in a VIP group, right? Let's just double check. Yeah, so you can see that's where we took our entry. We took a buy position right there, right? And then and now let's just see what happened after. Okay, I want to replay so that you can all see now. Oh, as you can see, the market went start going like that. It was as you can see, the market start off going down first toward our stop loss, right? But as you all know, I do not panic. I trust my stop loss more than anything. That's one thing about me. My stop loss, I do trust it a lot, because when it comes to stop loss, I'm very good at putting my stop loss, So whenever I put stop loss, I don't worry about nothing. So now let's just see. As you can see, the market start going all the way up. The market actually went and it passed half of the take profits, right? But we didn't do anything. We didn't close. Yeah, we didn't close, or we were just like holding it. So you can all see, guys. And now at that time, so if you can actually pay attention here, right? So when the market went up here, that was a very good push, and I was like, all right, so now we're actually gonna wait for a retracement so that the market can continue going up and hit our take profits. That was the first red flag I start seeing, guys. Instead of the retracement, the market start moving this way. You can see moving this way, but it was good because it was also a bullish flag, and I was like, let me just wait and see what's the end of this. And I told my people, yo, we're still holding, right? And then guess what happened? Guys? The market is dropped all the way down, and then the market is start moving very slow. I'm telling you, very slow. That's where I spend all my time. And look where the market was. It was very closer to hit the take profit. The market was this closer to hit our take profit. Now, After moving like that, it was a moving crazy like that, you know. And that's where my passions, guys, knocked. And not only passions, but I was like, all right, the market is very closer to TP, right? And it's the momentum is dying, you know. Should I continue holding it with a slow momentum? Because if I should have hold that trade, the chance where I'm actually gonna be holding, risking all these profits here just because of maybe few pips that left to TP. So I was like, I don't think that's a good idea. So let's just go ahead and close. And that's when I close right there. That's when I closed this trade right there, you know. And you can see here in the VIP group, right? Let me just show you. This is where we close it. This is where we closed the trade, you know. It was at the 330 pips. 330 pips. So would you close the 330 pips because of that left moment? Let me know down below in the comment section. First of all, for me, I just feel like it's a good idea. And the momentum, just we was patient waiting for the market to hit the TP, but it didn't. So as you can see, 330 pips, that's when we closed, right? We actually killed the risk to reward ratio, but it's worth it. The market died, and you don't force to be in a market just because you wanna, because of the vibe, you know. Yeah, but you just close because of what market is doing. So now let's just see what happened next, which is shocked the world. What happened there next after we closed, guys? It shocked the world. Look at this. After closing, the market dropped a little bit and then it went all the way up and it hit our take profit. Yo, this is insane. Look, went up and it hit our take profits. So now the question is, was I supposed to hold it? Even the momentum was dead, because as you can see here, the momentum pick up, right? Pick up a little bit and then it went up, right? That's when, but by the time we was holding the whole time, there was no momentum, guys. The market was moving very slow and we was waiting for the market to hit TP. But we closed with the profits of 306 and 30 pips, right? So you guys let me know down below in the comment section, yeah. And now, after that, the market again dropped. Now let's see what happened. Look. And that's the end of it. That's the current price of the market right now. So was I wrong to close it, or it was a good idea? Let me know in the comment section, guys. Let's talk about it. And that's the reason why I closed. And yeah, and I just wanted to let you know, guys, sometimes when the market is very close to TP and the momentum is dying, it's always a better idea to close. You know, just play with the momentum as well, you know. Just don't ignore the momentum, and don't just hold and risk all that money, all the profits because of few pips. Like, yeah, it was only maybe how many pips? Let's just count it. You know, it was 17 pips, you know, 17 pips. So should we risk 3,300 and something pips because of 17 pips? Bro, that don't make sense. So if the market is very close like that to your TP and the momentum is showing the weakness, you rather close and call it a day or a session. So yeah, we are done. We well played, guys. We actually killed it as always with the VIP members in a pre-London session, and now we are waiting for New York session so that we can kill it again, you know. Yes sir, that's the end of this video, man. Make sure that you give me a like, subscribe, and comment down below.